Hi guys, something bad just happened. There was a bird. Yeah, so it was coming really fast across the window. Imagine it's shut, and then it just banged, and then it flipped back over here. So guys, I'm going to show you right now. It's right there. It looks hurt. Hi birdie, you okay? It should be okay. Birdie? Guys, comment down below. Maybe I think it was a blue's blackbird. Don't know. It was just crashing. I don't know what happened, but I just heard a bang. That's what happened, guys. Oh my god, it's bad. So we're taking it to the vet now, cause I think it broke one of its wings, but it got back up somehow. Oh, it's really bad. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bells on. Guys, this is bad. I'll see you later. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys.